the benefits to Singleton have been extreme. We've felt very privileged to be a participant in this program and have relished the opportunity to visit Nghe An, attend Viet Water and have Nghe An visit Singleton. We've felt so very welcomed by the Vietnamese, both in Vietnam and again in Australia, and it was lovely to get the opportunity to develop real friendships across languages and countries. It's definitely provided us an opportunity for the whole team, from operators to engineers, so right throughout our business, to test their skills and experience both in person and remotely. Through focusing on Nghe An's request for assistance with asset management, leak detection, and expanding their business, we've been able to demonstrate some of the techniques we use, but also review how we do things in light of some of the questions they've asked. We've also taken the opportunity to see how Nghe An has solved some of the similar problems that we've experienced. And it's also been great to see Nghe An's gender diversity within their small team and for them to see ours. Both teams have in common that we have female engineers, which is fantastic to see. This experience has also improved how our appreciation of the high quality water and sewer services that we do get in Australia, and has been very validating for the water and sewer team to be recognised both by the rest of council, but also by the community as a technical resource able to work with those from other countries to develop their skills. So Nghe An has had the advantage of expanding their team of 12 to include the 25 members of Singleton's team to work on their non-revenue water, asset management and expansion of their business. Through this partnership, Nghe An has seen at least a 30% decrease in non-revenue water, and this has been achieved through reviewing operations at their treatment plant, operations of the network, installation and maintenance of flow meters. They've also been able to replace much of their network using methods that will reduce leakage into the future. They've begun to develop an asset management framework, and council has been able to provide assistance in their chosen asset management computer software. And even outside the water and sewer team, that assistance has been there from across council, which has been fantastic to see. The team at Nghe An has also been very interested to see some of our guiding documents and principles that are second nature to Australian water utilities, for example, the drinking water management, the drinking water guidelines, and how they're put into practice, which has been a fantastic opportunity for us to share. So in relation to the sustainable development goals, it's been abundantly clear to us in visiting Vietnam that clean water is very much taken for granted in Australia, and that even when water utilities in Vietnam are providing treated water services, there's not yet the community trust in these treatment measures. So I think there's a great opportunity for Australian water utilities to work with these utilities to build the treatment and reticulation reliability to enable their communities to take advantage of reticulated clean water rather than relying on bottled water. It was also clear that our counterparts in Nghe An were keen to take advantage of technology available in Australia and Vietnam, and there is a great opportunity for Australian water utilities, both big and in our case quite small, to demonstrate these technologies in a real world context. This enables our partner organisations to make good investments for the often limited community and grant funds that they have available to them. So I think the power of the water industry in Australia in contributing to the achievement of the Sustainable Development Goals in our Asia Pacific neighbouring countries is in making small changes and turning theory into practice alongside these water utilities. So I can't say enough how much we've greatly enjoyed the experience and are looking forward to continuing our partnership arrangement with Nghe An, which sadly has been delayed somewhat by COVID. But I can definitely see how this partnership has benefited not only Nghe An being the obvious beneficiary, but also all members of the team right throughout, right from operators all the way through to other members within council.